Oh damn, what do we have here? That's a big box. Let's see what's inside of it. Alright, so this should be the brake line kit. Should be all stainless steel. Let me turn the flash on because you can't see shit. Alright, looks like we got our brake line kit for the Suburban. It's a lot of brake lines. What do we have here? Shipping bands are indicated with white stickers. Oh. Well, that's fancy. Anyways. Yeah, so this whole kit is all stainless steel. Oh, there's a white sticker. So this is all stainless steel from Dorman. Let me see, we got a part over here somewhere. Let's flip her around. Aha! Alright. So it's all stainless steel from Dorman. There's the part number, 919223. Guessing this would probably fit the trucks and everything like that. 130 bucks shipped to my door. I mean, how do you beat that? It ain't even worth my aggravation to bend them and do them myself for 130 bucks. So that means the Suburban will be fixed real soon. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Foy's Automotive. Today we're going to be working on, I don't know what we're going to call this one. White Beauty. We already got Betty. I don't know, you guys pick a name. Sasquatch? No, it's white. Yeti? Anyways, I'm going to get all the wheels pulled off. As you've seen before, we got all the brake lines for it now. So first step, I guess, get the wheels off, get some ambition, which I'm running low on today. It's already getting dark, so we'll get the wheels off, kind of look at what we got going on, and probably put the brake lines on tomorrow because it's about all the ambition I got. See you guys in a minute. Alright, so we're on like day 47 of this project. I don't know how much life's left in me, but here we go. No. Well, we got one brake line off down there, going down to the front. Believe it or not, all of these fittings have cracked right loose. I know I got to do valve cover gaskets. I got new ones, I think, in the garage, in there somewhere. Whoop, yeah, mess with you. So yeah, we got to do the valve cover gaskets, but that, not that it's the least of my worries, but not worried about them yet. I'm gonna get these brake lines maybe knocked out today, but I know I'm counting my chickens, and if the rest of them go this smooth, I'll have them done. So, get back with you all here in a minute. Well, one of the first things you do, take all the brake lines, dump them out of the box, put them on the floor. Oh, in case you're wondering, that is a table made out of a Dodge 440. We'll do an episode of fixing that bad lad up. What are these directions? I don't know how to read. What kind of fool do they think I am? Alright. That looks like, well, that looks like a brake line. That one looks like another brake line. What, is this just all brake lines? Oh wait, that's what we're doing, is brake lines. I guess I'll just keep throwing them until I find the ones I want. Okay, that, I'm going to say, since those got the fancy Rust Keeper springs on them, those have got to be for the rear end. Oh, they got labels on them. Front wheel, passenger side. That's what I was going to say that was. I need the ones that go from the master down to the ABS. Master cylinder. Huh. Whoa. There's the master cylinder one. Sorry about the focus there, guys. If you don't forget, I'll even show you in the mirror to prove it. This is all done off an iPhone. See? Look, there I am. Objects in the mirror closer than they appear. That's an iPhone. No fancy cameras here, kids. Man, it is super blurry today. I'm not liking that. So that's got to be my main one that goes to the back. A couple fittings. We'll just throw those around. What we got here? What we have here? This one. Rear suction to brake hose. You know, don't they understand? I'm doing the front right now. So there's a master cylinder, there's a master cylinder. Let's get those done. So these are the two I need to do first, because these go down low. I don't know if you can see in here real good. They go down to these lower ports here. You got 3 on top. These are your outs. This is your left, your right, your rear. I know the camera's doing real good. This camera guy sucks today. I should fire him. And you know, obviously your rear, your front. So I'm gonna do these right now. Sorry, not filming that great today. It feels like a Monday, but it's Thursday. Alright, so we got them bad lads on. If you're just joining this video somehow, quarter of the way through, this is the Dorman kit 919223 for the Suburbans. I'm sure it's the same for the pickup trucks and Tahoes. The only one that I can imagine would be different would be the line that runs from the front to the back. Anyways, only difference so far I've noticed in the kit, really nice. Those two lines fit really good, but they changed everything I've taken off that was GM was a 14. These ones that we're fitting here, this is now a 13. This one's still a 14. So, not that it matters, but you know, I want to use the wrench and I noticed that's different, but you know, they're nice stainless lines, so should have good brakes. I'm gonna keep going, and oh, look at how shiny they are down in there. Anyways, we got one front brake line in, and she runs down there, runs down there. We got our new brake hose on. I know, she's a little rusty but trusty. But new brake hose. Everything's dorman. Got part numbers for all of those also. I mean, if anybody's interested, so far the quality of this stuff is really nice. And I'll turn that upside down. You know, just in case you want this part number, whatever the case is. You know, if you're watching this video just for the brake installation, everything's from Dorman. Everything came from Amazon. I think I paid, like I said, $130 for that. The lines were $6 a piece for the hoses, I mean. So far we're under 150 bucks. And well, I wouldn't say we're halfway done, but done with, got 3 lines on. We're getting somewhere. I'm gonna do that other front, and then let's do the back and bleed them. Alright, so normally there's a big skid plate here, you know, for when you're like, I don't know, skidding across the pond. I don't know what you need a skid plate for on this thing, but anyways, skid plate has to come off if you're watching this video, like I said, for the brake line stuff. Skid plate's got to come off because this is the line that runs from over there to over there, and I'm guessing you're going to want to replace that if you're doing the rest of them. You're going to need to get that. Feels like there is a 13 up in here that this line's bolted down with, so I'm going to get that pulled off right now, get this line ripped out of here, get the new line ripped in here, and continue on. We're almost done with the front here. Alrighty, we are completely done. We are completely done with the front brakes. I mean, they're not bled, but all the new lines are in. And the guy, like I said, when I got the truck, he had a bunch of work done. You could see the meat on them pads. Pads are brand new, basically. Rotors are new. There's no ridge on them. When I drove it, it had front brakes on the way home. No wobble, you know, not warped or nothing, so that's cool. Definitely need some shocks, but I'm looking into buying either a full lift kit or a leveling kit minimum for this and put new shocks on it. Do the ball joints, do all that, because I have a feeling she's here to stay. I'm going to drive it, put some miles on it before I order a lift or anything, but I'm thinking probably like a 6-inch lift. Probably keep these for winter tires, put some 35s on her. It'd be mint. Look at all this jumble of brake lines. There's my scrap rotor pile. Never know. We need to hit somebody with one. So yeah, you can see there's the coupler that links the two-piece line that runs over to that side. I gotta tighten that up still. Just gotta go over everything and tighten all the hoses once we're done. Not hoses, they're lines. They're not brake hoses. The hoses are the rubber parts. Sorry I'm being so mentally disabled today. It's just been a really long day. So now, since there's still a little bit of light out there, we're going to start back here. We just got 2 lines that go on the rear end, and the 1 line that runs to the back from the front, and the new rubber hose. Set it right that time. So I'm going to get working on the back. Hopefully everything comes apart as easy as the front did. Alrighty, so it's the next day, and looks like we're going to replace all of that. This is turning out to be, I don't know, the drum brake channel? Second set of drum brakes I've had to do. But I got a chunk missing here. So I needed a wheel cylinder. I'm like, might as well replace everything. So we got a new hardware kit. Believe it or not, AutoZone was the only place that had these damn parts in stock. And I don't like to wait. So, sad thing is, just the parts to do rear shoes, wheel cylinders, and hardware kit each side, damn near cost what the whole brake lines and everything cost. It was $75 with my discount. Kind of insane. But hey, now I know the truck will have all good brakes, no questions. You know, I'm gonna get to it and hopefully drive it today. Good luck, right? So we got the Suburban all done. I've put about 500 miles on it now. As you can see, there's plates on it. I registered it. I'm going to keep it for now. The thing really runs and drives great. I have a few things I want to do to it. But I like the truck. And all in, I only have $900 into this entire truck. That's with the price of the truck and all the parts. So $900 for a rust-free Suburban sounds good in my book.